Again.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Bad lakawa.
Right now, this is White River. It's located in the Ocho Reyes areas, right here so up on the north coast. Yeah, my people, welcome to Green Carpet exclusive river tour. Right here so White River, you can find it in the Ocho Reyes areas. Yeah, man, you don't know, say straight vibes. Once you reach a raft, music there for the people, them straight vibes, entertainment. All of the captain them can dance, my people. Don't forget that straight entertainment. You hear me say that too much time? Yeah.
Alright, my people, wagwan. Welcome back to Shawn Again, and today we're leaving the Airbnb that we're staying at in Ochi to go to White River. Why are we going White River? Well, as you heard Trace say in the beginning, forget some entertainment. We're actually going rafting on the river, my people, and if you were to book this Airbnb, then you could also reserve with Trace and go rafting as well. I spoke about this Airbnb rental in this video, so if you haven't seen it, you can click this link and then come back over here. Then the reason we're able to go rafting is because the host of the Airbnb organized for us to do a rafting tour of the river with Raft Captain Trace, and as you've seen, he's full of entertainment. So come in with me, we could tour the river together. Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes on the corner them. Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend. Staying at this Airbnb, there's so much to do around the area. The beach is like 10 minutes away. We're at White River right now, which is also about 10 minutes away. And we are about to go rafting with Trace. Trace is the express rafter, the raft captain right here so on the White River. So if you ever come Ochi, it's a good place to stay, and Trace is a good person to link if you want to do the rafting. So if you want to do the rafting, we leave a contact below where you can reach out and you'll get the rafting set up for you and your people. We're looking to go on the raft right now.
Yeah, my people, welcome to Green Carpet exclusive river tour. Right here, so White River, you can find it in the Ocho Reyes areas. Yeah, man, you don't know, say straight vibes. Once you reach a raft, music there for the people, them straight vibes, entertainment. All of the captain them can dance, my people. Don't forget that straight entertainment. You hear me say that too much time? Yeah. Yeah, man, see there, see you have the raft there, my people, right? That's so mad green carpet. See them lavish out? That's how we do it. We have to have good product for the people, them come. So them feel nice and comfortable for go up on them. You know what I'm saying? They're well sturdy too. Yeah. Well built. You don't have to worry about that because we are builders also.
Yeah.
All right? I'm doing this over 4 years now. You know, when my brethren introduced me to the raft and say, you want to go up a river? Some say, yeah, man, I'm going to try. I don't know about it, but I'm going to try.
Yeah.
I try it and I say, I make it up the river because you have a difficult spot up there. So when I pass it, the man say, yes, man, I'm good.
Yeah.
Because I figure out a way strategically to work my way past it. You know what I say? Yeah. So I just that's so from then, I see how it's here. I say yes.
Yeah.
This is the feel I need for, you know, because of my style. I'm a people's person.
Yeah.
We know how to accommodate, you know what I mean, and do all that good stuff. Yes. So that's why I'm take it to the people them right now. And you see it, exclusive Green Carpet tour. Right throughout the year, from 7 in the morning till you know when you time it.
I love that. And how much is it to go on the raft?
Right now, it's $45 a person to go on the raft, but if there's a family, we have a family package that we do. We take off 5 and make it 40 a person. So depends on how many of you guys. We can always balance it from there.
Okay, and that's US dollars, right?
Yes.
45 US and
US.
40 US for families up to 4.
Right.
Okay.
So, if you have more than 4 family, what you have to do? You have to turn back, go back home, what you do?
No, we have other rafts right here. We have more than one rafts, guys. We have a portion of them up the river right now. Where what we use when we got more than 1 people. If we have a bus load of 19 or 15, we load up maybe 7, 8 rafts that we got, which is we got 10 right now for ourselves. You know what I mean? Yes. So there won't be no inconvenience with rafts. You're gonna always have a raft to choose from
Yeah.
to go about the water.
Okay, so you do like a group, like a big group
Yes,
trip.
we do big groups too, large groups.
Alright. And where are we? Where can we find
Right
this?
now, this is White River. It's located in the Ocho Reyes areas. Right here, it's up on the north coast. Now,
we're going on this raft.
yes, One Love, you call this one right here, so.
This one.
Up my general, exclusive for them case. Yes, see it, my general, nice and cozy. It also happy birthday, my people. Anything, any occasion, whatever occasion you coming on, if it's an anniversary, if it's a birthday, if you're celebrating something, we have everything for you guys.
So
Fully
this
prepared. That's at the drop top right
the
there.
drop top rafting, you know. Wow.
Yeah, if you don't want no visor, no roof over your head, you have a moon roof.
So you have the different types of raft. You have the ones
Right.
with
See, we have
covered.
raft with visors right here.
Yeah.
We have raft with full roofs. See what I mean?
Full
Yeah.
roof
just
over
like
here. And then you have the drop top one.
See the drop top
one
going
over
up the
there.
street, up the road, the stream right
Nice.
now. Yeah.
Alright, now come. Woo.
All right. Lavish lifestyle.
So we're here right now on the river, on the raft, and looking so far, it is a nice little cool, cozy space right under here. So you sit high up and the water looks shallow. So if you ever fall out, I'm gonna have a look every moment at them time. How are you, say, man? I look forward. So look at the river.
Take a look.
I'm gonna put up some of them.
So them mother carry them to go somewhere else?
Okay, this is Calypso Rafting, guys. They do tubing and rafting also in one. And right now they're taking back their rafts up to use them again to come down.
Okay.
Oh, so them no bother just do it on the river. So them no go back up with it on the river.
Yeah, they're taking it back up to use again to come down.
Oh, so they only do one way.
Yeah, they don't. I like your, I like that. They only come down, but they don't go back up.
Okay.
They don't push back.
But you the
So
boss.
that's the advantage we have over a lot of things. We push up and we go down.
Gotcha.
So that's them loading.
Do remember, you're separated by two parishes, St. Mary over on this side, and you got St. Anne on this side.
The next side of the river?
Right, both you have two parishes right now. St. Anne on the right, St. Mary on the right hand side.
When
And
you say the right, what you mean?
Two different parish. You have 14 parishes in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this river is separated by two parishes. That makes it the borderline for the two parish, just like America and Mexico.
What parishes? What parishes again?
St. Mary and St. Anne. Yes. St. Anne is on the left side and St. Mary is on the right side. Yes. And do remember that this river is filtered by 85% limestone, make it one of the richest rivers in Jamaica. A lot of people don't know that, but I did my research and figured it out myself. All right. Upon discovering that, I realized that the benefits of the limestone, it's good for poor circulation, it's good for joint pain, it's good for eczema, it's good for stretch marks, it's good for cancer cell and also mosquito bite.
Oh yeah?
Yes. And it do greater. You can also Google limestone and you will figure it out and get greater information than what I just displayed to you.
I see go up the river and it look like the current is going that way.
Yes.
That not harder for the man?
It's pretty challenging, yes, but you know, strategically working our way up the river because we already know how to angle our sticks. You know what I mean? That give us the way to govern it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop there.
Yeah, try it off. It's stuck a while ago.
Okay.
That's time I have to come off and pull it right too close to the side.
Over this side, I get deep now.
So you see how the raft is stuck from ground?
Yeah.
Fishery is the river really low.
You still a go?
So people, there's nothing to fear when you come out here. Safe waters.
Safe waters.
So where we're pulling up is a jump off spot, and this is where people go to hang out and buy drinks, swing off, jump off in the water, all that good stuff, play music, dance. You know, it's a whole vibe, so check it out. So as you can see, other rafts are parked right here and Trace. I use the stick and just maneuver the river for find a little parking right next to the other rafts right here. So as you can see, there are people already here, people who were on other rafts who stopped here to come hang out, maybe do some tubing, maybe jump off from the rope, you know, maybe just chill, soak in the river, and all the vibes. Alright, we'll park now, so let's go see what's happening up here.
Alright, my people, this is the famous swing right here. Yeah.
Watch him on all the vibes, yeah, well, yeah.
See that?
Right here, there's a rope coming from the trees above, and a tire tied to it. You sit on the tire and you swing out to the river and back to the bank.
Go again, go again!
Yeah.
Oh. Bad luck,
But, said, man, see that? Just like that.
Yeah. That.
Yeah, so as you can see, guys, it's a whole vibe just being here on the river. You see the man them a swing on the swing, in the water, out of the water, over the water. And me just a watch, cause I don't think me I go on a swing there, but it look like a whole lot of fun, don't it?
That.
Yeah.
That is it. That is it. Can't tell the people what your name.
Holy Captain Mike came on White River.
Captain Mike.
Bamboo rafting, no chariots out.
That. Alright.
So this trip to this spot right here on the raft was real tranquil. The raft is just smooth on the water and Trace really captain the raft away, you know. Because when you really check it out, the river is streaming downwards and we're going upwards, up against the current. So he really did the work here. So the guy who just is swinging on the swing is a raft captain also, and he's moving his raft with him guest them right now. So you see him carry them up to the bank, give them some entertainment, and then him gone again.
Jerk chicken there on the fire. Yeah, man. Best jerk chicken, yeah.
Let's start chicken inside.
Yeah, man.
Alright, aren't you big up in front?
And if you're there same way, please give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video with a friend or family. You know how the thing go. Also, let me know if you would come to this river.
River rough for the way, yeah. It's a tape.
That one, that tape.
Yeah. No, I get you good.
Look at that.
And jump.
Everything is on the river. From food, there's a jerk chicken from Miss RJ. You have liquor, you have drinks, you have everything you need for whole of vibes. And I won't lie to you, to how the vibes nice right here, so I feel like I would spend the entire day. But we're gonna keep it pushing.
Hold on, man. You know, say I'm top captain.
Anyways, my people, while I wish we could have stayed right here, so we're gonna get up and go right now. We're gonna move to another part of the tour. So come in with me. Man, look how the man angle the raft, man. Looking at it, you should know this is no easy work.
I want to make your skin nice, so. I want to make your skin nice, so.
No, sir, I'm born natural.
That's all? Hey.
Yeah, man, you have to fit and strong, you know. Like I said, you know, current is going against the raft, but turning around to go back down the river, it should be a little bit easier since the current will be going down. And we'll be going down with it. Growing up and seeing people rafting, I used to think that the stick acts as a paddle, so it goes in the water and just pushes the water away. But no, that's not what the stick does.
Captain there, say you want captain?
Come in, I'm captain it there.
Captain good.
The stick actually goes down to the surface of the riverbed and push against it in order to propel in whichever direction you want it to go.
Go on, man, you go on, man. Just go through with me, them and go on.
So that was fascinating for me to learn.
Yeah, go on, good.
Yeah, so as we're heading back down the stream, you can see how calm and just peaceful this water look. You know, just to sit back on this raft and relax while it just float down the river is definitely something I would do again.
So, my general, how it feel if you push the raft come down the river?
Work, yeah.
Alright, my people, you see it? See it there, you got it for yourself. General, I didn't think.
So I actually got the stick to captain the raft myself, and it's my first time doing it. Just as I thought, it is nothing easy. Wanna tell me how I'm doing? This is the official fishing village of White River Orchard, and these boats right here is what they take to go out on the water to catch fish. But boy, White River Orchard, Jamaica is just beautiful. It is known for its clear waters and the lush tropical surroundings, but visitors can enjoy activities like rafting, which is what I'm doing, and tubing, which I would love to do next time around. The experience of tubing and rafting typically includes navigating through some gentle rapids and calm sections. Some of the water is going to be deeper than others, somewhere you can actually step out and it's only about a foot or less deep, and some it's going to be a few feet deep. But how quick you go down the river or up the river is going to be dependent on the current of the river that day.
Right, we're ready for water. So we're into book it tour. Water was that. So now my big captain still a good, look good right here, so.
I think of that if I make him push it upstream.
Right now we are approaching beach, right? There's a Shaw Park beach. We have the nude beach on the right hand side. We have San Antonio on the left hand side.
So two different beach?
No, that's the name of the hotel.
Ah. Alright, Captain Jack.
Tough it up, man.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Nice. Yeah, come on, no more. Can't step off this one still.
So we have the nude beach over there, so. We have the regular hotel on this side over here, where you can book your room and relax. You have the beach on this side, so where you can enjoy yourself, as you can see.
Jet ski, the hotel.
And this side is called San Antonio right there. But the whole beach is called Shaw Park Beach.
Shaw Park Beach.
Okay.
That is it.
There you got the nude beach.
And that's a nude beach.
Different things that you can zoom.
Me no want to see them. If I'm man over there.
Man, woman, everybody there on that side there. But naked, you already know where you go. Yes, some people. So right here, so we have the next famous stop right here, so we come enjoy yourself on the beach.
Alright, my people, so you hear it from Trace himself. This is Shaw Park Beach, and it's a nice little place to stop, and it's definitely a great place to spend some time. You look around, you can see families, you see kids playing in the water, people diving, you see people on jet skis just skiing away. And it looks like a whole lot of fun. Typically, like any beach in Jamaica, of course, a hotel is going to take up a little piece of the beach for themselves and for their guests. But on this side of the beach, it is open and free to you and to use. At least, actually, I don't know if it's free, but I know you can get to it by rafting. This beach stop wasn't to spend a lot of time because I don't have much time left here, but as you can see, the enjoyment, the vibes here would definitely bring me back. And you know me, I'm gonna go on with my antics. Hear me on the jet ski, man.
My the top fake camera, my father. Don't it? I know, man.
see man come back here. And it's the side of the jet ski that is on right now. Just I deal with it crazy. Yeah man, them thing I'm like to see them thing and them thing I look like a real enjoyment this for me. Right now I wish me the dip on the jet ski myself. But our next time. So how the beach nice? Everybody's here. Even the dog is here enjoying himself.
So right now, we're upon the river, and as we go back up which part we come from, we see some people that come down upon them tube. Look upon them.
Yes, Rafting.
I have come an idea.
Continue. We have lights for the rafting. Oh, I was about to show him the night rafting.
Wait, you have lights? You have night rafting?
We have night rafting also. That's why I tell you there's no limit, there's no expired time.
Upon the river, yeah?
Yes. Whatever time you want to request going on the river, at your personal time, Raft Captain is down.
Love that, love that. But guys, just take a look at this tube and coming down. This is so peaceful. So the tube captain there, piloting the tube. That feels good, don't it?
Listen, I enjoy the ride.
Feel good? Yes.
Got that for it.
Love it.
Yeah.
I found top of river now come. One thing with us as Jamaicans, we're gonna find a way for hustle. In Jamaica you can find all kind of hustle and the job description not there. I just hustle.
Anyways, people, thank you so much for watching. This is it for the rafting in White River, Ocho Rios, Jamaica. And it's sad that it was a lot of fun. It was fun and done from the riverbank to the river to the beach. It was just a loads and loads of fun. But please do me a favor, if you enjoyed this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You see the vibes, you know what it is. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments and share it with somebody you know would enjoy the video also. Shawn again. I'm gone again. Stay blessed. Shawn again, Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call your friend. Me say ya Shawn again, me say ya Shawn again. Bring good vibes pon the corner them. Shawn again, Shawn again. Like, share, subscribe, call a friend.